Let's see how to move the system folders to another drive on Windows 11. First, it's a good idea to create a system restore point before you do this. The system folders include the desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music, and videos folder. They're the folders you can see at the left pane of the File Explorer. Right-click on one of them, then go to Properties. Click on the Location tab, then click on Move. Specify the new location, but do not select the drive itself. Rather, create a new folder. Then click on Select Folder at the bottom. Hit Apply, then Yes. You can now find the files at the destination you specified. That's how to move the system folders into another drive in Windows 11. See you soon.